Hi folks, it's going to be another senior moment. I thought, as a matter of fact, Eric thought that I bought this not too long ago. He thought I should show it as one of my senior moment things to show you what you can do with this if you want to take good pictures of your signs or products, whatever, for sending in an email or just for taking good pictures. This is a good way to do it. This is what they call a picture box, and it has several ways to use it. You can put your camera on a tripod and mount it through the hole here, or you can go down through the top and have this closed, or you can have this open and you can put your pictures in here. I bought this little it's actually a dish holder, but it's clear acrylic, and it lets the product go in there and stand up, and it still shows white all the way around it, so it just makes it a little bit easier to use. And you can find these things online. I'm sure I bought that on Amazon. We don't have it in the store, but I'm sure you can find it online.
So this thing's got internal lights on it. I'm trying to get it.
Yes, it does have internal lights, and it has a thing here that pulls out. I'll show you what it does. This pulls out if you want to get a more of a curved background by putting something in here. You don't have that crease. You get more of a curved background. It's really versatile. This thing costs less than $150. It's worth every penny. And this is just a little box. I just took some pieces of acrylic and quickly glued them together just to make a little stand that you can put something in there like that. And so there's all kinds of ways that you can use this to take really good pictures because of the lighting. And here's another little thing that I have that you might find interesting. If you have something that you want to take a short video of, this will take a short video while it's turning, and it'll show everything. It'll show all four sides of it, whatever it is. It's just really kind of a neat little thing to take.
That's a little turntable. You found that on Amazon?
Yeah, I bought that on Amazon.
Okay.
It's a little turntable and I don't know. I bought it because I thought it looked kind of neat.
So sorry about, I'm just, disclaimer guys, because, because of being really white and bright there, I'm kind of playing with the lighting adjustment on the camera, so that's why you're probably seeing it getting darker and lighter and stuff, but I'm just trying to, from my little screen that I'm seeing through, just trying to adjust the lighting accordingly. So
yeah, we use this mostly for still pictures. Now, taking films with it is a little tricky, like Rick said. You have to adjust the lighting, but
so why all the white background? What kind of pictures are necessary for the white background?
The reason I use the white background is I list things on Amazon and eBay and Etsy, some of the little things I make, and nearly all the platforms that when you sell things online, they want the white background. They want just the product, but they want the background to be white. It's not carved in stone that way, because occasionally you can have other little things in there, but normally they just want just a product with a white background. And that's why we use this mostly we use this for still pictures, but with things like this turntable, you can use it for taking videos if you want to. So this is just something that I thought that I thought we should have when I bought it. And talking to Eric this morning, and he thought, well, that'd be a good subject for one of our senior moments.
That's all set up full size. But am I right in assuming that actually folds down into a more of a compact thing that you can carry it and stuff?
Absolutely.
Okay, because I see handles on. Handles on there.
It'll fold down flat to where it'll be a
kind of a suitcase.
Yeah, it'll be kind of like a suitcase.
Yeah.
Or a large flat square.
Yeah.
But it'll fold down. You can tuck it behind the couch or behind the seat of a car.
I thought they might want to know that.
Yeah.
Because we need this set up all the time.
That's a good point. I should have thought of that. I'm glad you thought about that. But it folds down flat, and it's got the cord for the lights that are up in there. The cord, all you gotta do is plug it in and the lights come on. And it's well worth the money. I think it was 140 bucks, something like that.
Yeah, you take a lot of pictures and you're posting products online, man. This is a nice little tool to have.
Exactly.
Okay.
Okay, that's a review of our picture cube, and that's a senior moment for today. We'll see you next time.